1. What is the term limit for the President of the Philippines? A. 2 6-year terms. B. 1 6-year term without re-election. C. 3 4-year terms. D. 1 4-year term with 1 re-election. The answer is B. 1 6-year term without re-election. Explanation. The President is elected to a single 6-year term and is not eligible for re-election. Article 7, Section 4. 2. Which article of the Philippine Constitution provides for the Bill of Rights? A. Article 3. B. Article 4. C. Article 5. D. Article 6. The answer is A. Article 3. Explanation. Article 3 of the Constitution is known as the Bill of Rights. 3. What is the constitutional basis for the separation of church and state in the Philippines? A. Article 1, Section 1. B. Article 2, Section 6. C. Article 3, Section 5. D. Article 4, Section 2. The answer is B. Article 2, Section 6. Explanation. The separation of church and state is explicitly stated in the Constitution. Article 2, Section 6. 4. Which entity has the exclusive power to initiate all cases of impeachment in the Philippines? A. The Senate. B. The Supreme Court. C. The House of Representatives. D. The Office of the Ombudsman. The answer is C. The House of Representatives. Explanation. The House of Representatives has the exclusive power to initiate all cases of impeachment. Article 11, Section 3. 5. Who has the authority to declare martial law in the Philippines? A. The Senate. B. The Chief Justice. C. The President. D. The Secretary of National Defense. The answer is C. The President. Explanation. The President can declare martial law in case of invasion or rebellion. Article 7, Section 18. 6. What does Article 12 of the Philippine Constitution focus on? A. The family. B. National economy and patrimony. C. Social justice and human rights. D. General provisions. The answer is B. National economy and patrimony. Explanation. Article 12 deals with the national economy and patrimony. Article 12. 7. What is the role of the Commission on Elections, COMELEC? A. To draft laws. B. To enforce and administer all laws related to elections. C. To prosecute criminal cases. D. To manage the budget of the government. The answer is B. To enforce and administer all laws related to elections. Explanation. COMELEC enforces and administers all laws and regulations concerning the conduct of elections. Article 9C, Section 2. 8. Under the Philippine Constitution, who has the power of judicial review? A. The Congress. B. The Supreme Court. C. The President. D. The Senate. The answer is B. The Supreme Court. Explanation. The Supreme Court has the power to review, revise, reverse, modify, or affirm on appeal or certiorari. Article 8, Section 5. 9. Which article of the Philippine Constitution pertains to education, science and technology, arts, culture, and sports? A. Article X. B. Article 11. C. Article 13. D. Article 14. The answer is D. Article 14. Explanation. Article 14 focuses on education, science and technology, arts, culture, and sports. Article 14. 10. What is the term length for the justices of the Supreme Court of the Philippines? A. 10 years. B. 20 years. C. Until the age of 70. D. 6 years. The answer is C. Until the age of 70. Explanation. Justices of the Supreme Court serve until they reach the age of 70. Article 8, Section 11.